Okay, this is a real quick walkthrough for the Tyler Executive Women's Network calendar. And we have on the screen right now is the TEWN logo. So we're going to pull that down. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go open a brand new browser. And of course, I use Google. And you can go up to the top up here, which is the search bar for most browsers, and type in Gmail. Okay, and you hit enter. And please forgive me for my computer speed right now because the editing tool that I have that actually pulls in this video is actually slows my speed down. So when you hit Gmail, it's going to come up when it says Gmail, but you have to log in. And of course, my admin at TEWNTyler.com popped up. You want to put in your whatever at TEWNTyler.com, and then you want to hit sign in. And that's going to actually take you to your Gmail. And the thing about Gmail and Google, the reason we use Google for the Tyler Executive Women's Network is because we sort of have everything in one place, and it's really great. Again, give me a second for my speed here. Okay, once this comes up, and you'll see a little bar loading in just a second, yours should be a lot faster. Everything is going to be in your email system, so that's where you normally log in. There's also a login on the website that some of you will know about and see, which is how you get past the first page on the website because it is a closed community. Oh, the speed is really getting not that great with this tonight. So we'll say here, there it goes. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is once you log in to your email system, right up here at the top, and it's coming, I thought just now, but it slowed down, I guess, again. Um, but right here at the top, if it will open, there we go. Okay, right here at the top, you'll see all these little buttons. One of them is search, images, mail, which is what you're in right now, drive or docs, which is the word of Google. There's the calendar, which is where we're going to sites, groups, contacts, and more. We're going to go to the calendar, so you're going to click that, and it's going to open up a new browser for you. And this is going to be the calendar system, and it says TEWN Tyler, TEWN Tyler. Okay, but right here on the left, you're going to see it says TEWN Tyler Executive Women's Network, and you can click that. Of course, you have your calendars because your login information. You can have your own calendars in here that doesn't share with the group if you want this to be your main email. But when you go in here and you hit create event on this calendar settings, share this calendar. Well, this calendar, and mainly the person that's going to be moderating this calendar is the president of the group. So you will already have this calendar shared with you. But you can go in here and hit the calendar settings or create an event on this calendar. But if you go up here and you actually just start creating an event, it right there, it pops it in. And if you have other calendars created, it will give you the option to put it in. But all you do is you would title the event, say event, and then you would hit the date, August the 23rd, 11:30, to what time, to what day. And it could be an all-day event, which will pull all that out, or it can be an event that repeats itself weekly or monthly or every Wednesday, Monday, whatever you want to do, and it ends at a certain time, whatever you would like to do on that. And then you put in where, excuse me, and a little description, and you can even add attachments, and you can directly add guests. Now, if you want to send this event out to the whole group, one of the things you can do is MEMB. See, you start typing, and this is all the members within the Tyler Executive. This is all the members within the Tyler Executive Women's Network. Now, I'm not sure you want to do that unless it is, because they will get an email. If it's not the normal events, then yeah, send them an email. If it's a normal events that repeat over and over, I wouldn't send them an email. I'd have them go to the calendar and look. But if it's an abnormal event, like you are doing something special and you want everyone to know, you can put that. You can hit that button right there and just type in members and it'll all pop up. Or you can decide you want 10 people and you hit add their email addresses, and you can have reminders come to you and everything else. That is really all you do. And I want to make sure that I take this off. So I'm not actually going to save that event. I'm just going to create another one real quick because I don't want to spam all those people. So we'll just put that. We're going to put CASCAD Cascades. We're going to put party. Okay, and I hit save. Okay, So right here you see on Thursday the 28th at 11:30 p.m. there's an event and it's called Party. Now this right here has just went to the website itself, and we'll go to the website and I'll show you. But that event has went to the website. Okay, is starting at 11:30 in Cascades. That's giving me a reminder, and you can set the reminders up or you don't have to. The same thing goes if you have this calendar on your phone. It can give you reminders about things that are coming up. Let this load for a second. There we go. Okay, and the first thing, of course, since this is a closed community, you have to log in. There's a login button there. And since I'm an admin within this system and I'm already through my email logged into the account, it doesn't take but a second for I don't have to go in and actually type my password back in again. Let's see, it should be there in just a second. There you are. Okay, so when you go down here and you hit the calendar button in the website, it's going to pull up and let it refresh itself again real fast. It's going to actually pull up and you will see, if I can scroll down, the calendar is going to open and you will see there's an event right there. So everyone can see that event that's not a part of the event just by going to this calendar, because this calendar is public on the website. Now, of course, if they're not a member of Tyler Executive Women's Network, they won't have access to this part of the website to see the event. But if they are, and they can subscribe, they can hit this button and add, copy it to their calendar, delete it. Well, I can delete it. They can't delete it. But they can copy it to their calendar. They'll get a map of the Cascades, and they can hit for more details. That is really, and it's all right here in your calendar. And of course, I said right there at the top of your email. And of course right there again, and you'll see it right there when you click on it, and I've actually shaded it red. You can put it whatever color you want. Of course, if you have any more questions, you can email me. I am Clyde Hayes, and my email is clydehayes@gmail.com, or on Tyler Executive Women Network, I am admin at tewtyler.com. If you have any questions, just go ahead and email me, and I hope this explains it to you of how to add things to set them up for the calendar system in the Tyler Executive Women's Network. Thank you.